The guillotine was created by French physician Joseph Guillotine, who argued for a more ethical solution to public executions. Guillotine belonged to a small political movement who argued against the death penalty entirely. After being elected to the French National Assembly in 1789, Guillotine fought for an interim measure that would make executions private and painless. The guillotine was improved upon in 1870 by assistant executioner and carpenter Leon Berger. The guillotine was used throughout the French Revolution and up until 1977, when it was used for the very last time. The ethics of the guillotine became a source of research and discussion in 1879, when the physicians, scientists, and philosophers fell into an explosive dialogue around the possibility that the person might remain conscious after the head had been severed. Beginning with Prunier's experiment, witnesses set out to prove their opinion on the matter. This matter has not been solved, even after all these years, though it was thought to be plausible that the human mind might remain semi-conscious for a nanosecond. Regardless, this contentious topic fits in nicely with the ongoing themes of civil liberties. What is ethical and what isn't in the realm of capital punishment? During the French Revolution, the guillotine became a prevalent symbol of the Reign of Terror. This more ethical murder machine was responsible for the death of thousands of people. This class has introduced the birth of protections, often in the form of unions, who fight to protect for laborers' rights, like the American Civil Liberties Union, who holds that capital punishment violates the constitutional ban against cruel and unusual punishment and the guarantee of due process of law and the equal protection of the law. The guillotine was a first step among many that would work, albeit slowly, to improve the civil and human liberties of citizens of this and other countries. We are reassured that the atrocities like the decimation of the Jewish people during the Second World War will not repeat because of the civil liberties now in place. Later, we can look at the struggle for the equal rights of African Americans during the explosion of protests after Rosa Parks refused to give up her seat for a white man, and how far our expanding civil and human rights evolve along with us.